Watch me transform this dark skin beauty from start to finish. Hi guys, welcome to this dark skin makeup tutorial of my mom for her birthday, February 14. She's a Valentine baby. Let's get right in. The first step is to arrange all of the makeup products you'll be needing. This helps you to save time and work faster.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is making up my beautiful mother. Okay, this is the beautiful woman that gave birth to me and my siblings, mother of 6. Here my mom is looking young and beautiful. So guys, today's makeup tutorial is the ultimate makeup tutorial for dark skin women. Okay, and this video is not a motivational video. From start to finish, this video is going to be about how to transform mommy to a beautiful queen. Okay, let's get right in. First off, when I'm done using a clean and brand new razor blade to just properly curve our eyebrows, like to grow my eyebrows even though there's nothing there. Next thing is using a micellar cleansing water to properly cleanse our face. Okay, and then next off is important for me to use this Easy Wish facial toner to tone. These are important skincare prep when making up any skin, especially mature skin. Okay, because this help is important for you to tone our skin a little. And it's so funny how people feel what's the importance of toning one's skin when you're just going to do makeup immediately. Trust me, there's difference in it, because when I'm done with this, you're going to see how this just properly lightens and brightens up our skin a bit. You can see that despite the fact that our face is already washed, properly washed with CeraVe cleansing gel, you still have a bit of what dirt. See the cotton pad? You can see cotton pad I'm using to properly what cleanse our skin. Like I always say in all my videos, it's important for you to properly cleanse. Okay, it amazes you how after you are done washing your face, when you clean your face, there must be dirty inside. So this is a deep cleansing for me. Okay, this is the second part. This is the first one used, this is the second one. And see the back, there's nothing left. So when you clean and it's properly clean like this, as in your cotton pad is this clean, that means you need to allow the skin to dry, then you move to the next section. Sweet mommy, too early to sleep, we'll never sleep, but today na me and you. When that is properly dry, you go in with an hydrating spray, and this hydrating spray is the Mario Badescu setting spray. So I just go in with an hydrating spray. Make sure that your spray, you shake it properly before you spray. Okay, in that way the spray will be very effective to you and effective on the skin. So guys, this is Serum Skin Regenerating Hydrating Serum. Okay, this is a must-have in my box, and this is something that I apply a generous amount on the skin. I love how this regenerating hydrating serum feels on the skin. Okay, and as you can see, this is the old one. It's almost finished. I already have a spare. Okay, so that's to tell you how I actually love this product. For any product that I love, I like to buy my things in bulk. I don't want to hear so that hey, you need to wait for a couple of months or weeks. No, I don't like that. And then again, when it comes to proper skin process, I like to use my hands, because my hands just massage that into the skin and it gives my clients a soothing feelings that they love, and I love. Very soon they start sleeping off. It's important to clean your hands, to sanitize and wash your hands properly. Okay, because when making up anyone, if you know you are going to be touching the person's face, then you must use a clean hand.
Yes, yes, I did, sef. I know see there come out. Okay, because on Monday I go carry my yam. Okay, do? Okay, then do.
The Ghana clients. Hey, mommy, the distributor of rice and yam. You know that's me money. You know the agree say you get money. Now you are the follow. So that no, mommy, it's not be so I take the business. So, see, do it like this, hold it like this. Okay. You cover the name, oh, see. Oh, silver milk. Mommy, know that like that. This one na L'Oreal. I go use matte take tell you. So I mix these two shades of foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match and the Silver Milk foundation. People often say that Silver Milk foundation is too thick. So guys, one of the best way to mix your foundation is either you apply a moisturizer on the foundation or you just gently apply L'Oreal foundation to mix it. On this part, I'm using a beauty blender to just blend the foundation into her skin, and you can see how it's properly blended to her neck. And then on this other part, I'm using my foundation brush. You already know I'm a fan of foundation brush, I beg. So let's see which part is better. But it's important that you know how to use both products to blend both foundation. Get why? Some time back I went for a job and I actually forgot my beauty blender at home. What did I use? I used my foundation brush. To achieve a flawless look, blending is key, okay? So on one side of the face I use a beauty blender. On this other part of the face I use my foundation brush, and this one is from the Younger Beauty. And then when I'm done, I went back in with my beauty blender. And to get the best results using a beauty blender, that beauty blender must be properly damp, okay? And as you can see, our foundation is well blended. Next off is time for concealer, which is the highlight and the contouring. This part is very important, especially for dark skin, and this means it's going to bring out all the features of your face. It's going to bring out proper structure. So what I usually do, I light under the eyes, under the cheekbone, on the chin, the forehead, and then next off is me applying blush. Okay, blend. Blending is key. At this point my mom got another call and she was talking about her business. She sells food stuff. When I'm done with foundation blending, I went in with a powder to just blend. It's important that after applying your concealer you need to set. Okay, you set before you bake. In life we all have mothers, and mothers obviously love their children. They cook, they take care of us. But this mom of mine is a very special rare being. She's so kind. She's very kind. Even though she did beat fire come for our body when we small, she's very kind. Do you know on several occasions I've had people bump into me and they're like, do you have a mother that sells food stuff in so market? I'm like, yes. Oh really? I hope you're as nice as your mom. I've had so many people ask me that. Do you know that my mom is one of those people that when they go and buy food stuff from her, when their money is not complete, sometimes my mom will solve for them and tell them bring it when you have it, and oftentimes they bring the money back to her. There was one time a friend of mine called me and said, I've never seen a woman as nice and kind as your mom. I'm like, what do you mean? She said, you know say I get belle now, I come market go buy things. So I was so tired, my eye they told me like say I won't faint. The next thing, one woman just dey pay attention to me. Now she hold my hand say, madam, you need to rest, come sit down for my store. She sat down. So okay, give me your list, I go enter market, I go help you buy everything wey you wan buy, just rest. Woman wey get belle na small, okay? She said she sat down. In fact, she now slept on a mat my mom gave to her. Then my mom took the list from her, took the money I went to buy everything on the list, came back and then told her, don't be shy, you can rest, you are ready to go home. She said, I'm ready, thank you ma. She was now praying for my mom, but my mom, instead of saying amen, my mom was also praying for her, and then she called me on the phone. She was like, now I see your mama for store today. Before I go even explain who I be, she don't start to dey help me. See wetin she do for me, see wetin she do for me. She help me go buy my things, take my list. I say okay, abeg dash her money because that woman na so e dey nice. When she don nice for outside for people finish, she go come and say, today market body tire me, I wan rest. But anyways, my mom, I've
My mom, I see her, she's my role model. She's my number one inspiration when it comes to business. She have a lot of business sense. Like I practically grew up seeing my mom do different business and she is growing in it. Like she's my all. My mom is that woman that if you have issue with anybody, if you tell her that mom is here, I don't know why this happened, she will tell you you don't need to beef anybody. Communication, just you know, contact the person, just solve it. In fact, my pikin, na you be the problem. I know you now. You like wahala. No be you, no be me born you. You like trouble. Now you go don find trouble, you no go know. Or no to you. Go and fix it. That's the kind of mother I have. My mother will never join you to tell you, oh, this person is bad, stay away. Oh. She will tell you, go and fix your mess with that friendship of yours. This is the woman that taught me that. My siblings sometimes once in a while, it's normal, all families will have issues one here and there. My mom will not have peace until everybody settle. See, you don't even have choice. You must settle with your sibling because you see this mother of mine, she will call you. She's that person that will call everybody every day and make sure she pray for you. When I mean every day, that recharge card there, I don't know, she no dey work for customer care, but she dey make sure say she get recharge card to call all her children every blessed day, and she must leave you with prayers. And my mom is a mother to all. As in, when I mean a mother to all, see, when I posted her on my status Valentine Day, which was her birthday, the number of things people said about my mom made me really realize that people sees the good, people sees what you do. Even when they don't talk, they sees. Be nice, just be kind, just have a good name. Just have a good name. My mom can never be a fair weather to anybody. My mom is my mom from start to finish. She's that one person you have a problem, you call her, bam, she don't answer you. Fine, she might not have billions, millions to give to you, but her words will surely leave you better than the way you came to her. That's my mother, very prayerful. This woman, she's my first woman of God. She taught me God. She taught me and my siblings God. My mom is that person that would tell you anything that is taking your peace is not worth it. Take it to prayer, leave it in the hands of God, and watch God do miracles for you. This woman, I beg you, forget. My mom was that woman that told my daughter, as you are getting married, as you are leaving us today to start your new life, I want you to know that your friends are your friends, your family are your family, your colleagues are your colleagues. In as much as you love your husband, try to manage relationship with other people because you also need other people in your life, and learn to speak out. This was one of the best advice my mom gave to me when getting married, and it has been so helpful to me over the years. May God continue to guide you. May God continue to keep you. See how you are looking so beautiful at 64. In fact, it's as if I'm seeing myself, my older self in my mom. 64 years with a beautiful skin, black glowing skin. See, truly, you cannot know God and see shame. Lie. This woman have been so kind. She have been so good. See, you will know you have a good mother when your mother is a mother to all. Not just a mother to you, no. When your mother is a mother to all, everyone, regardless of class, that is when you know you have a real mother. And this woman is that woman. In everybody, na mama they call her. Not be just my mama. This woman, we are 6, 3 girls and 3 boys. But you see this, my mother, she's a mother to all. May God continue to preserve her, because I'm looking forward to doing her 100 years birthday makeup by the special grace of God. God preserving her. Happy birthday, Valentine baby. They're born for February 14. No wonder you get so much love for all of us. On behalf of me and my siblings, my brothers and my sisters, we are grateful for your love over the years. We are grateful for your prayers. We are grateful for everything. It wasn't easy getting her to sit, because this woman, the time you say, I want to go my market, or my customer they wait me, or my customer they wait me. Today on this day, I say, I arrest you. And my beloved brother Okemuti was a great support. I've always been a great support, as in there's nothing like having siblings that watch out for your mom. Okay, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed everything about this dark skin makeup look of my mother for her 64 years birthday. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching till now. Please remember to stay out of trouble. Hey loves, if you're watching till now, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video. Let me know in the comment section what part of this dark skin makeup tutorial you love most. Okay, and into with my fixing spray. Very soon I'll be shooting a video discussing the difference between a finishing spray, a setting spray, and a fixing spray. Okay, we've come to the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and allow mommy to tell you guys, prosper. On behalf of all of us, we love you. I love you plenty. All of us love you. Kemuti love you. Where say everybody love you. Thank you, mommy. Oh yeah, tell my subscribers, say bye.